crafty upcycled sewing rebels. I am Mandy Wildman, and this is Hustle and Hem. And we chat about things to do with upcycled clothing and fabrics that would otherwise go into the landfill, which is something none of us want. So last week was about reclaiming your time. This week is about claiming who you really are. So somebody comes up to you, they say, "Oh, hey, honey, I haven't seen you for so long. What have you been doing? What are you up to these days?" How do you answer that as an upcycled sewist, as an upcycled maker of fabulous creations, which it took me a long time to get to that point? How do you answer that question? Well, I'm sewing. Oh, goody. I'm a designer. I'm an upcycler. But often people will, you just say, well, I love to sew. That's what I used to say. I love to sew. It's really important for you to find a way to describe to the person in front of you exactly what it is you do without getting into a long paragraph of lengthy explanations about the methods you use in order to upcycle. So we're not going to talk about methods in our one sentence response to what do you do and what do you do? What? Oh, but what's your job? We're going to find a way. We're going to create a way. And this is homework, because if you're not sure who you are or what it is you do, your customers won't be sure either. You're not just someone who sews. Number one, you are not a free alteration service. You work in a studio. You do not work in the garage. You don't work in the spare room. You're a refashion designer. You are a creator of earth-friendly garments. And no, if people come up to you and go, "Oh, you sew? My husband has a pair of work pants." And I'm like, get away from me. I do not touch clothing that I don't want to work with. Now, if you're doing alterations on the sides, then yeah, sure, $40. You work in a studio. Repeat after me. I work in a studio. I don't care if it's a corner of your closet. And I used to work out of my closet, not one of those nice big walk-in closets. Those are cool. Here's what I say when people ask me. You have to take every opportunity to let people know what you do, because you are talking to your ideal customer, your ideal repeat customer. They want to be transformed by your garments as they put them on. They want to feel different. I'm getting emotional as I'm telling you this. Your garments, the things that you make, the creations that you make are life-changing. I'm going to tell you again how I introduce myself. I'll get through it. Hi, I'm Mandy Wildman, and I'm a refashion designer. I use reclaimed materials to create unique, quirky garments for women who want to love how they look. And I want you to create what you say to your people who talk to you, who you interact with. Or you have a little bio that you want to put in your social media. You're going to say, well, you're not going to say this, but you're going to say something like this. Hi, I'm Mandy Wildman, and I'm a refashion designer. I use reclaimed materials to create unique and quirky garments for women who want to love how they look. I'll help you. If you're in the Refashion Rebels community, I will help you create your personal introduction, your way of owning who you really are, because there are many brands out there. Here's a brand, and it goes like this. Mom, where's my... I'll have that brand for the rest of my life because my children see me as mom. That's how I'm branded to them. You are not mom to the rest of the world. You are you. You are you. I'm going to finish off with this. When you look someone in the eye and you say who you really, really are, they believe it. And more importantly, you do too.
So show me colors I need, pictures this time.